Piccolo. This is a moment I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for hours. I'm sweaty. Okay. Face. Face reveal, guys. You probably didn't see me. I did face reveal. You probably see my shadow. It looks like actually it's anniversary reality. Put my hands down. You probably figured out from my previous video I uploaded, my last video, that version, my virtual reality. Look at me, my house, yeah, when I was a kid. Trying to use money. Why was I moving here for fun? Share moments with people. It sounds wrong and dangerous. Could be with more information, but that ain't happening, guys. I ain't that dumb. Actually, I'm not dumb at all. I got A's and on the grades. A's and on the grades. What is he doing? Is he pulling over? Oh, shoot. Okay. I'm gonna stick my hand over this. The mom bird comes iams. Oh god. Oh, that was the mom bird. Dumb wind. Oh. Oh no. It's here. No. Okay, good thing is this ain't no bald eagle. If it is, then if there's a bald eagle, I'll be so arrested. Look at how Persian goals already. They don't have to change me. I already have some Persian goals. Okay. But the good thing is, hopefully this ain't no second bro, but I know it's not an eagle. But what if it's raising one? It can't be, but researchers, all YouTube people, all people of the person, government watching this, please comment down below if it's an eagle and another robin or something. It's not a robin. Whatever is raising this is an orphan. Is being adopted. It is. And also, I learned how to zoom in. Zoom in. So you got it. Okay, put my finger. Come on! Okay, guys. I'm gonna come to what I'm about to do. I'm about to fall something. Not the knife. I'm gonna. Now I don't want to scare you anymore. I'll put the camera down for 1 second. If this is real, hopefully this is real. You guys. Oh. Okay. Oh God, please don't die. I'm too scared. I don't want to see. Okay, I just told you this. I'm not killing this thing. This ain't no animal abuse. If this animal abuse, you'd be hitting them, bashing them, but I'm not doing that. See, I'm just throwing stuff at it, make sure it can't get it. Look. It's hard to hold. And also in black. So yeah, bring it out. And this is a beautiful tree. Ah! Mess! I just want to keep it down so I can aim better. So I'm getting frustrated. So frustrating. Just one little bird. Peek. Okay. I'm throwing it above it. Screw it. Might be risky, but don't fall. Oh, okay. Yes! Yes! Guys! See his beak? Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, go, 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 go. Okay. This is scary. Oh. This is why I don't do this. I hate. Aw. This is his mama. I'm scared. I think I want to go away and leave it alone. But no! It happened. I want to make this video. So, yeah. So people can pay attention to me. I like nature. Show I like nature. Ooh, is that? I'm so bad with camera. Okay, so mine now. Poke a stick. Poke a stick. I don't want to poke it or anything. That'll be animal abuse as well. We touch right in the morning any harmful way to it or to its age. Let's take a minute. If it died before you even touched it, it's not really any use. But I'm not doing that. I don't roll like that. I do not roll. Oh! She's big. What? Yo! Nigga. See, it's big. Oh! Oh, there's ants coming on me. Great. But guys! That's life. Oh! 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 Oh my god. Holy crap. Hey, buddy. Welcome to the world. Oh! Oh! Okay, be quiet. Oh, it's probably getting cold. I'm gonna go call his mother. I'm gonna go get his mother. And this might be brutal, but it's getting cold. Oh, man. Okay. I guess I will run. Here, have this. Have to leave, baby. How? Mom. It's fine, probably. I should really call her mom, but I got it. Yes, it took me 7 minutes and a couple seconds or less. You guys tell me in the comments how long that took. This is the longest video. Tell me in the comments below. And also, I'm gonna report some people. I'm not gonna show their license plates because they're crying. But don't dialogue that. You do, I freaking report you to the government. Psycho. That's life of birds. Do I know him? I'm gonna put that on camera so I won't get his license plate. Wait a minute. Is that the driver's seat? Oh, never mind. Well, I got it. I'll put a comment below. What time is it? Skip or whatever. 6:59.